Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. He appears every moment throughout the world, observing the season with pure eyes. Seeing Buddha's realm of action is joyful. His sublime voice is limitless and inconceivable. He destroys afflictions for all sentient beings. Diamond Eye can realize this. Seeing Buddha's boundless supreme virtues, he appears in disguise in all kinds of forms, all throughout the universe. Fragrant hair emitting light always sees Buddha, thus teaching all sentient beings. His sublime voice extends everywhere, explaining for beings for infinite eons. Pleasing sound earth spirit comprehends this, and, hearing it from the Buddha, is reverently joyful. Buddha's paws emit clouds of fragrant flames, filling the world according to the mentalities of beings. All who see this develop maturity. This is what Flower Swirl observes. Stable and unbreakable as diamond, more unshakable than the polar mountain, the Buddha's body is in the world this way. All sustainer, able to see, gives rise to joy. Furthermore, the city spirit dual peak radiance found the door of liberation benefiting sentient beings by appropriate means. The city spirit beautifully adorned palace found the door of liberation, knowing the faculties of sentient beings and teaching and maturing them. The city spirit jewel of pure joy found the door of liberation, always joyfully causing all sentient beings to receive various blessings. The city spirit sorrowless purity found the door of liberation, of the mine of great compassion saving those in fear. The city spirit flower lamp flame eyes found the door of liberation, of universally clear great wisdom and knowledge. The city spirit flame banner clearly showing found the door of liberation appearing everywhere with appropriate means. The city spirit light of virtue found the door of liberation, observing all sentient beings and causing them to cultivate the vast ocean of virtue. The city spirit body of pure light found the door of liberation, awakening all sentient beings from the darkness of ignorance.